Over time, the business sector underwent many changes, especially in the banking sector. The changes experienced in the banking sector itself, such as the rapidly increasing use of m-banking or e-banking. Especially with the pandemic, the use of paper money has become more minimal, and the trend of using electronic money and m-banking has increased. In addition, changes in the business sector also have an impact on job opportunities, where job seekers are required to be able to adapt to existing changes. According to BPS data, the number of Indonesia's workforce as of February 2022 is 144.01 million people, which is an increase 4.20 million people compared to last year. Thus, the competition that will be faced by job seekers is even tighter. Also, in the era of globalization, job seekers will compete with foreign workers. Not only about the competition, the increasingly developing technology also requires a worker to adapt to the existing technology, which now has become part of our daily lives. Now, the question is what kind of employee abilities are being looked for by companies, especially banking companies? Thus, this interview will be conducted with one source, namely from the point of view of HRD as the person who selects job seekers.
In this all digital era, has banking changed?
Of course, banking has undergone many changes, starting from transactions that can be done with telephone, electronic money we have place card, to the stage of creating account that can be done from home.
In this regard, do the aforementioned changes affect bank employees?
Of course, it will affect the employees as well. For example, from what purposely only server account created by meeting in person, now employees must be able to handle client home make account from home by making video calls, and many more examples.
In this regard, do the aforementioned changes affect bank employees?
Of course, it will affect the employees as well. For example, from what purposely only server account created by meeting in person, now employees must be able to handle client home make account from home by making video calls, and many more examples.
Thus, it means it will affect the skills that will be sought when company opens job vacancies.
Right, of course, it will affect the abilities that must be in our prospective employees.
As an HRD who selects prospective bank employees, what kind of bank employees do you think are needed by the company?
Good bank employees are those who can provide the best service to customer, that the company needs a prospective bank employee who can communicate and control facial expression well. Also have great passion, because sometimes there are customers who do need re-explaining really relate to their transaction. Not only that, bank employees are also required to be careful, of course, with the accuracy of bank employee. It can harm the company. Of course, they all also need good analytical skills.
Related to this, are there specific qualifications that must be possessed by bank employees in this era of globalization?
Yes, there have been many shifts involved due to development in technology, including banks. We expect a prospective employee to be able to adapt to the existing technology. Maybe not the profession once, but those who have the desire to learn and have the potential to success in the future.
Lastly, do you have a message to convey students or job seekers who are interested in applying jobs?
The point is that a worker or person who will serve service of is the one who can adapt to the change that exists. So be enthusiastic and keep learning to get the job you want.
So it is indeed the one who have desire to develop themselves are widely accepted, and of course the one who can adapt to. Thank you for your time in this interview.
My pleasure.
The conclusion of the interview that have been conducted is that the changes that occur in the business sector that have an impact on job opportunities make job seekers to further improve their abilities by participating in relevant training. And most importantly, the employees and job seekers who will survive are those who can adapt to the changes. So, this interview regarding human resources in the business sector were conducted. Thank you and have a good day.